In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group products in WooCommerce. Whether you're looking to create a bundled offer or simply want to organize similar items together, grouping products is an excellent way to make shopping easier for your customers. So let's get started and walk through the process together. First things first, before you can start grouping products in WooCommerce, you need to ensure that each product you want to include in the group is created as a simple product. This is a foundational step, so if you haven't done that yet, make sure to do it now. Once all your desired simple products are ready, you're set to create a grouped product. Now, head over to your WooCommerce dashboard and navigate to Products, then click on Add New. This is where you will create your new product that will act as the group. Give this new product an appropriate name that makes sense in the context of what you're trying to group. For example, if you're bundling winter items together, perhaps name it Winter Set. Once you've named your product, the next important step is the Product Data section. Here, you'll find a drop-down menu. Click on that drop-down and select Grouped Product from the list of options. This setting is what enables you to create a collection of simple products under one umbrella, so it's crucial to choose this option. After selecting Grouped Product, you're ready to publish it. Simply find the Publish button, typically on the right side of your screen, and click it. The new grouped product is now live in your store, but it's currently empty, so let's fill it with the products you want to include. Scroll down to the Linked Products section. This is an essential part of the setup process. Within the Linked Products area, there's a specific area called Grouped Products. Here, you'll have the ability to search for and add individual products to your new group. Start typing the names of the products you want to include. WooCommerce usually has an autocomplete feature to help find matching items quickly. It's a good practice to double-check that each selected product really belongs in this group. Consider the shopping experience from your customer's perspective. Does it make sense for these items to be bundled? Once you've added all the desired products, your grouped product is mostly set up. Take a moment to review your entries for accuracy and completeness. Lastly, after confirming that everything looks right, click the Update button. This will save all your additions and finalize the grouped product setup. And there you have it. Your grouped product is now live and ready for customers to discover. This approach not only improves navigation on your store, but can also potentially increase sales by encouraging customers to purchase a full set of related items. Thanks for following along in this tutorial. Feel free to revisit any step if you need clarification, and happy selling with your newly organized WooCommerce store.